What is itching? I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Itching or pruritis is an irritating sensation that makes you want to scratch your skin. Sometimes it can feel like pain, but it is different. Often you feel itchy in one area in your body, but sometimes you may feel itching all over. Along with the itching, you may also have rashes or hives. What are the signs and symptoms of itching? Skin redness, bumps, spots or blisters, dry skin, cracked skin, leathery or scaly skin. So what causes itching? This is very important. Itching is a symptom of many health conditions. Sometimes causes are allergic reaction to food, insect bites, pollen, and medicines, skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin, irritating chemicals, cosmetics, and other substances, parasites such as pinworms, scabies, head and body lice, pregnancy, liver kidney disease or thyroid diseases, certain cancers or cancer treatments cause itching. Diseases that can affect the nervous system such as diabetes and shingles can cause itching. So what is the treatment for itching? Most itching is not serious. To feel better, you could try applying cold compresses, using moisturizing lotions, taking lukewarm or oatmeal baths, using over-the-counter like hydrocortisone cream or antihistamines. Avoid itching, avoid wearing irritating fabrics and exposure to high heat and humidity. Contact your doctor if your itching is severe or it does not go away by taking some medication. You may need to treat your underlying cause, and in most of the cases, it helps. Thank you very much for watching this video.